Hello everyone, I am Mukul Padgaonkar and today we will be looking at LOS-H, valuing the bond using forward rates. So I'm having an example in front of you guys. First year spot rate is 3%. Forward rate for 1 year after 1 year is 4%, and 2y1y, that is after 2 years for 1 year, is 5%. We have the characteristics of the bond. Face value is 1000, coupon is 6%, number of years, that is the tenor, is 3 years. We have to value the bond using the given mentioned rates. So give me a second. So how will you do it? 60 is the coupon payment, that is 1000 into 6% gives you 60. Divide this coupon with the first year spot rate, which is 1.03. Store this value in the first memory slot by pressing STO1. Then again in second year we are going to receive 60 as coupon. So have 60 on your screen. Divide this value by 1.03, which is the first year spot rate, and then divide the value which you have on the screen by 1.04, which is 1 plus 4%. And in the third year we are going to receive the face value 1000 plus a coupon, which makes 1060. Divide this number by 1.03, press equal to, you will be having something on your screen. Divide that number by 1.04, press equal to, again you will be having some number on your screen. Divide that number by 1.05. So you have to store this number in STO1, you have to store this number in STO2, and store this number in STO3. Then press RCL1 plus RCL2 plus RCL3, and you should be having an amount of 1.56.69 as the value of the bond. So let me give you a formula or summary of what we just did. We took C1 on our calculator, divided this with 1 plus S1. Then we took the second coupon payment, which is C2. We divided this or discounted this with 1 plus S1 into 1y 1y, and then we had Cn plus Fv, and we discounted this with 1 plus S1 into 1y 1y into whatever, let's say this is n equals to 2, so we are having C2 or sorry C3, so it is 2y 1y. So this is how you discount a bond using forward rates. I hope you have understood the concept. This is the example, and this covers LOS-H from the CFA level 1 reading 52. Thank you.